Alright, baby. Now, he was asking me about where your coins are. And I got some bad news about them coins. About that piggy bank. So folks, you want to, apparently Fatima is interested in knowing the whereabouts of her piggy bank. Baby, can you tell all the viewers how long you've been saving money on that piggy bank?
5 months.
Huh?
5 months.
Okay, so you've been. Can you speak English? So you've been saving for 5 months. Yeah. Well, I got some bad news about them coins, baby. But the good news is, I made a video for you to show you exactly where the coins went. Okay? You see, as I recall, on the day that you asked me to go change those coins, you yacked me a little bit, right?
You yacked me. I yacked me.
This is my kingdom, and I'm the king. There's no yakking the king.
And the queen.
So I had to tax you a little bit. I had to put a little tax on you. So let me just pull this up, and folks, I got the iPad over here. I'm gonna record her response. So it premieres in 38 minutes, but I wanted to make sure I had all the technical stuff hooked up. But baby, I got a video for you. It's called Drinking Beer with Filipina Wife #1's Piggy Bank Money. Okay? And so, what's wrong? Don't get jealous. So I'm gonna show you clearly what happened to all of them coins. But I don't want you to worry because it was heavy, but I didn't hurt my back. Okay, I'm okay. I didn't hurt my back carrying all them coins.
I'm worried about my coins.
Can you tell us how you're feeling right now? You said earlier that you were tired because there was a lot of work to collect those coins.
Yeah.
Why was it a lot of work, baby? How many times did you count those coins?
Many times.
And see, folks, that's the problem. Because these Filipinas will count their piggy bank every damn day. So she probably counted them coins 300 times. But baby, in this kingdom there is no yakking the king. And when you yak the king, you got to get taxed. But you do look beautiful today. You look beautiful today. I'm looking forward, and I think all of my viewers are looking forward to your response and your reaction to this, folks, to this blockbuster video. And I got the iPad set up here. I got her speaker over there. She just had a nice breakfast, and she is looking forward to my premiere, folks, of the Drinking Beer with Filipina Wife's #1, Piggy Bank Money. Boom, pound this. And I'm gonna be right in there chatting with all of you fine friends out there on my channel. So I'm not gonna interfere. I'm just gonna hit play or hit record on the camera, and I'm gonna let wife #1 watch what happened to her piggy bank. How much you love Marcos? Tell me how much you love me now, and you can tell me how much you love me after this video. How much money was in that bag of coins?
Secret.
You know exactly, right? She knows exactly how much money was in them coins. What you think happened to the coins, Marissa?
It says there that drinking beer with Filipina Wife, #1 is Piggy Bank Money. So, you spend it all over at the bar.
You think that's what happened?
Yes, ko.
Fatima, Marissa thinks that I spent all your money at the bar. Baby, you understand the rules of my kingdom, right? What's one of the rules of my kingdom?
I'm just telling you, go in the city book, make change that I send the
What? You can't yak the king, baby. Most of the time, I just throw the lady out of the kingdom. But you know what? You're your wife #1, so I just had to tax you a little bit, teach you a little valuable lesson. The moral of the story is,
if you do that, why you not give me only little bit, 100? But
baby, you can't yak the king. When you mess with the bull, you get the horn. I love you, but most of the time I just throw the lady out. I get rid of you. So I'm gonna let you stay, but I had to tax you. So this is a royal tax for your temporary lapse in judgment of yakking King Marquitos. Okay? And I hope you learn your lesson from this little incident. And I know you and Marissa are both looking forward to this video. Can you tell us what kind of feelings you're having right now?
Sad.
You what?
Sad.
Why are you sad?
I'm tired of if not going through.
Why are you tired about the coins?
I count every day how many times.
So how much was there in the coins?
Secret.
Now there's what?
That point is the future of work.
That was the baby's future? Now folks, about 7 minutes to showtime on this little premiere. And Filipina Wife #1 is already pissed off. She's been saving them coins for 5 months, counting them every day to make sure nobody stole 1 peso. But baby, I'm gonna assure you that there was not 1 peso wasted. All right, baby. It's about 4 minutes till showtime. I want you to enjoy this little premiere, baby. The mystery of where are your coins. Okay? Just enjoy it, baby. All right, let me get in here so I can chat with my subscribers. Folks, I want to thank everybody for joining me. Without further ado, here's my old lady. Alright folks, we're chilling over here. Man, Jason's working on the bike. Basically, I was gonna walk and take a walk, but Fatima. Fatima pissed me off. Why she pissed me off is irrelevant. So I don't think I'm gonna have a problem spending Fatima's little piggy bank. And oh, by the way, where do you think the money came from? It came from her yanking me every time she goes to the market and putting the coins in her pocket instead of giving me my change back. So I gotta teach her a little lesson, folks. You mess with the bull, sometimes you get the horn. Hey, Fatima, I love you. But nobody yaks the king, baby. So I gotta spend all your money at the bar. But I'm gonna enjoy it, and I appreciate it. Oh, it's a rainy day. Rainy day, but I got my new umbrella. Rolling strong up in the tricycle with Fatima's little piggy bank of 1 peso coins, my friends. And I'm going bar hopping, courtesy of wife number 1. I want to thank you, baby. Thank you for stealing all my change over the past month, saving up 2,000 pesos in 1 peso coins, where I can go to the bar and get drunk. I love you. I wouldn't be doing this.
I'm not still that, Marcos.
No, yeah, be clean. That's okay. I think you'll learn. I got money, but it's all in 1 peso coins. Can I pay you in 1 peso coins?
Yeah, no,
It's okay?
that's okay. That's okay.
All right, we gotta count them out right now. All right, cool. So, all right, my truck driver, at least he'll take the 1 peso coin.
No problem.
Look at that. Thank you, Fatima. Thank you, baby. Thanks for buying me this beer. I love you. That's fine, and that's one. From a distance, how do you know which one? This makes no fucking sense. You make them all the same. How can anybody tell which one is which? That's heavy, I told you, there is nothing but pure gold in that bag right there.
You break your baboy, you break your piggy bank. That's why it's money.
Well, yes and no. This is my wife's piggy bank. I took the piggy bank, I went to the bar.
1, 2,
You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
3, 4.
Which one's more delicious?
Here,
Thank you very much. What is this, baby? I got the Biggie Pastilla. Harina Nintendo. Is this your bag of money? Can you identify the coins in this bag? Baby, I'm pretty sure this is your bag of money. Here, hold this bag of money. Baby. There you go, you got that bag of money.
My coins too much.
No, that's your coins. Take a look, they look familiar. Folks, these are tears of laughter. Baby, those are your coins. Baby, those coins that's not the future, all right? I think that's the future of you sending money to your sister. That's why you got angry at me in the first place, because I didn't send the money to your sister. But don't say that's the future for us when you're trying to send it to your sister. All right, folks, thanks for joining us. We'll get this straightened out. All right, so what I did, folks, I went and I changed out this 5,000 pesos right there. I went and changed that out, and what I was going to do is take her little bag of leftover coins and stick this 5,000 down in there. So the next time she goes and counts her coins, you know, she's got the she discovers the 5,000. But she hid the goddamn bag from me so good I can't find it. Or else she took it to the market with her. I can't find the goddamn bag now to put the money in there. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to find out where the goddamn Crown Royal bag is, so I can put the money in there and surprise her. And she don't trust me now, so that shit might be buried in the fucking yard. I don't know. I have no idea where it's at. All right, they're back. This is funny as shit.